Hey everyone, today we are going to make a cute little pop-up card. So first here I have taken up a cardstock. The color is pinkish red. The measurements whatever I have used is mentioned in the video description box. Please do check that. Now for sticking these I am going to use my tacky tape and I'll cut it to the size, press it really well, and meanwhile you guys do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now coming back to tutorial, here I am going to cut it and stick it and I'm going to prep up my base. Next step is to add a little flap to it. So here I have taken up another cardstock and again a tacky tape. So this is just going to be the top part of my card. Birthday cards are literally incomplete without beautiful pattern papers, and meanwhile do check out our Facebook page. So here I'm going to use my liquid adhesive and stick all the beautiful pattern papers. So as it's in a birthday theme, I have picked up beautiful gift card theme pattern papers and I'm going to stick it on all over my pop-up card base. The most interesting part of this project is to have this beautiful strip and add as many layers as you want. So what you need to do is you need to cut the strip to like 1 inch bigger size of the base, and then you need to fold it from both the sides and stick it. Now here I'm going to have good 5-6 number of layers. If you want you can reduce down the layer, if you want you can increase the number of layers too. Making my own embellishment is something which I absolutely love. So here I'm going to cut a cute little gift boxes from this pattern paper left out piece, and I'm going to use this as my pop-up elements. Now if you want you can use your cutouts, you can use your stickers, but this was really going very well with the theme on which I'm working on. If you want you can give a backing of the cardstock, but I really liked it this way. So now the video is going to be on a speed up of this cutting and trimming work, but do watch this carefully so that you know like how many pieces I'm taking and I'm going to use it. Making my own sentiment is like, of course I had to do this. So I have picked up this cute little happy birthday sentiment from the same pattern paper pack, and I'm going to add a lot of layers of cardstock to this. Now this is just to make a little more dimensional and give a little bit of 3D effect. So I'm going to first have it on my gray color cardstock, and I'm going to have it on my pink color cardstock. You can also add a lot of elements to it. Just in case if you're looking for more quick tips, do check out our Instagram reels in the name of Growing Craft. Yay, the fun part begins. And here I have taken up the cute little strips from the same grey color cardstock, and I'm going to have a lot of peas attached to my box. Now whenever you're sticking it, make sure you stick them really well, because this is something which is going to hold your elements, so it has to be really sturdy. Now I am just taking it randomly. Later on you can cut it to the size you want, and if you are very particular, you can just cut it and use it the way you want it. Later on we are going to stick our elements to it. You can use your foam tapes, you can use your liquid adhesives, and just make sure that everything looks gorgeous. Meanwhile, do check out our website growingcraft.com. So here I'm just done with my card, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Whatever the supplies I have used are listed in the video description box with the links to buy them. Do check out our website growingcraft.com, and do let me know if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.